So I'm in the basement where I store all my goodies, and some of them have been down here for like 5 and 6 years because we've been in limbo planning a move. And I haven't pulled them out, but today I'm going to pull them out because I'm so tired of them just being here and me not using them. Look at all my Christmas stuff. Holy moly, we just packed all of this away. So if you look over here in all these little tiny boxes is all my old teacups and saucers and everything. You can kind of see them through the plastic. But I have so many. Look at this little guy. Isn't he so precious? Just so many. And I used to have this fun tea time where I would have a Sunday breakfast and I would set out my teapots and a magazine and a candle lit, and I would just have this special time. Well, I haven't had that in like 5 years. I get my chunky mug out and sit by my computer on the weekends. But I want to bring back this quiet time and this peaceful time with something I love and cherish. So I'm pulling out the teacups today, the teapots. I'm going to bake my special lemon tea cake. And then we're going to sit down and maybe have a little chat. And I'm hoping that I can do this more often on my channel. So here are some more. There's my little plain gold ones in there. Those are good for a special occasion. And all these in here, look. Look at this. I saw this through the box. I used to love these, like to sit my tea bag on during my tea session. There's so much in here. Oops. I have a lot of Haviland. And oh, Limoges. Isn't that gorgeous? They've just been sitting in these boxes. I have a whole set. So it's time to bring them home. But what I'm looking for today is my little teapots. And I found them because I was good. And I labeled teapots. And so these are what I want to bring to my tea party today. I already brought up my special little violet teacups and plates, and I'll show those to you in a minute. But I wanted to have some teapots for my tea time. So look at this one. Isn't that sweet? I have a couple of these sizes, different patterns. I have a big one here with lilies on them. Isn't that precious? Lily of the Valley, sorry. Okay, so let's do this. Let's bring them upstairs, and I will make my tea cake, and I will unpack my violet teacups, and we will have tea time. Okay, so the lemon cake is done, pulling it out of the oven, and the aroma is filling the whole house. It smells so good in here, and there's plenty for everybody. But I'm going to take my little slice out, put it on my plate, and get ready to set up for my special quiet time. So everything's ready for my special quiet time. I have my magazines. I actually got one for Valentine's Day. It's a February magazine. And I'm going to look through it and hopefully get inspired to start planning my Valentine's Day decorations and treats for the kids. I have my special china out that we unpacked. I've prepared my tea and used a special tea that my daughter brought home. It's in this cute little tin. So haven't tried it yet, so we'll see how it is. But I'm not a tea snob, so just an English breakfast tea is fine for me. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about the time and being surrounded by the things you love and the moments. And so that's why I do it. It isn't for the tea, even though I do enjoy the tea and the treat and whatever I have planned here. So for me, it's tea. For you, it could be painting, it could be music, it could be writing. I encourage you to unpack whatever it is for you, whether you've got an old guitar sitting in your closet or some old paintbrushes somewhere, and get them out and take time for yourself and take time to absorb your passions and the things that you love that fill your spirit. We don't do that enough in this busy world. So I'm hoping that this has inspired you in some way, and I'm hoping that you will take some time for yourself with something that brings you joy, peace, and pleasure. I would love to hear what it is for you. If you want to leave a note in the comment section, that would be so much fun to hear about your passions. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for giving me a reason to get out my china. I'm so happy right now. So as soon as we're done with this video, I am going to sit back, relax, and just dive into my happy place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.